Finding a reliable refrigerator water filter can feel like navigating a maze. But the ICEPURE PRO UKF8001 Replacement 4-pack shines as a beacon. This filter is a true champion. And it's not just blowing smoke. It boasts impressive NSF certifications, including 401, 473, 53, and 42. These certifications are like gold stars, guaranteeing that it tackles a wide array of impurities. For instance, it effectively reduces lead, mercury, and even certain pharmaceuticals. Moreover, it significantly improves the taste and odor of your water. Think of it as a silent guardian, diligently working to purify every sip. It's truly compatible with many popular brands too, such as Everydrop EDR4RXD1, Filter 4, Maytag UKF8001AXX, UKF8001P, Whirlpool 4,396,395, UKF8001, FMM2, MPF 15090, and SGFM9. Therefore, if your fridge uses one of these, this ICEPURE PRO UKF8001 Replacement 4-pack is likely your perfect match. Furthermore, the convenience of this 4-pack is a huge plus. It's like having a year's supply of crystal clear water at your fingertips. You won't need to constantly reorder. Instead, simply replace the filter every 6 months, or as recommended by your refrigerator's manual. Installation is also a breeze. Truly intuitive. It twists right in. No fuss. No tools needed. Consequently, you can enjoy clean water without any struggle. Plus, this filter offers a fantastic value. It provides high-quality filtration without the hefty price tag. Comparatively, it stands strong against more expensive options. In fact, it often outperforms them. So, you get premium performance without breaking the bank. Ultimately, choosing the right water filter is about peace of mind. The ICEPURE PRO UKF8001 Replacement 4-pack delivers just that. It's a trustworthy choice for your family's health and hydration. You'll notice a remarkable difference in your water. It tastes cleaner, crisper, and simply more refreshing. Moreover, it helps protect your appliance from scale buildup. This prolongs your refrigerator's life. Therefore, it's an investment in both your health and your home. So, if you're seeking an effective, affordable, and easy-to-use water filter, this ICEPURE Pro option is a clear winner. Pros: works great, as described, better than original, costs a fraction of OEM, water is crisp, clean, refreshing, installs easily, lasts as long as OEM, good solution for well water, excellent. Upgrade choice: seller stands behind product, fit perfectly, easy install, water flow is just fine, fit like a glove, cheaper than factory filters, does more than just a flavor filter. Cons: doesn't kill all taste of city water. Rough start, just a little touch of discoloration. For about 1/4 cup. Features: NSF 401 and 473 and 53 and 42 certified. Replaces Everydrop EDR4RXD1. Replaces Whirlpool Filter 4. Compatible with Maytag UKF8001AXX. Replaces Maytag UKF8001P. Replaces Whirlpool 4,396,395. Compatible with WF UKF8001. Replaces FMM2. MPF 15090 replaces SGFM9 filters, comes in a 4-pack. The ICEPURE Pro UKF8001 water filter is a 4-pack of replacement filters that are certified to remove many common impurities from your drinking water, including some pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and industrial chemicals, as well as lead, cysts, and chlorine. It's designed to replace several popular refrigerator filters like the Everydrop EDR4RXD1. Filter 4. Maytag UKF8001AXX, UKF8001P, and various Whirlpool filters such as the 4,396,395, WF UKF8001, FMM2, MPF 15090, and SGFM9. The ICEPURE Pro UKF8001 refrigerator water filter is a great replacement option for several popular brands like Everydrop, Maytag, and Whirlpool. It's certified to remove many impurities, making your water taste crisp, clean, and refreshing. This filter is easy to install, fits perfectly, and costs much less than the original filters while lasting just as long. It's even a good choice for well water and is considered an excellent upgrade by users. With the seller standing behind their product, there might be a tiny bit of discoloration for a very small amount of water when first used, but it quickly clears up.